I'm Miss B and this is my vlog number 13 on my series, LAGAW. If this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything. In celebration of the World Book and Copyright Day and the National Literature Month, the National Book Development Board, also known as the Book Publishing Industry Development Act, presents Book Fiesta 2019. They have launched the VlogABook contest last April 8. At syempre, magpapahuli pa ba ang kontisera ang vlogger na si Miss V? Of course not! So today, I decided to tour you around our bookshelves. There! And basically, the books that I'm reading are textbooks, review books, daily bread, children's books, Winnie the Pooh. This is one of my favorite pambansang balagtasan din kasi sumali kami ng balagtasan. Way back 3rd year high school kami. Yon. At eto, yung mga librong ako mismo yung bumili. Kakabili ko lang yung vlogging. Then, I love doing crochets, beadworks. I would love to learn about photography. If na-notice nyo, meron akong game segment sa Hello Miss B! Because I really love playing games. I bought this exciting collection of games and group activities for team building activities. Then Sudoku, number puzzle, knitting. There! I bought this for my sister kasi nagkagalit kami before, so hindi ko nabigay sa kanya. Mamaya bibigay ko sa kanya. And one of my favorites also, my first Bible. Ang malaking tanong, alin ba sa mga librong ito ang ating i-review sa araw na ito? Walang iba kundi ang My IPON Diary. Maging ipinaryo para maging milyonaryo from our wealth coach, Chinkee Tan. We are given 3 questions to guide us in this review. And first question is, what made you buy or borrow this book? Of course, you all know that I love going to seminars about investing, savings, about business ideas. And when my classmate tagged me in a post that the Ipon Diary and Diary of a Pulube, if you buy both, this would only cost 249 pesos. Naka-discount tayo ng 50 pesos because one book would cost you 150 pesos. Diba? May discount na! E di yun, swak na swak sa budget. Binili ko agad. Tell us about the most interesting characters, lines, passages in the book that you liked or disliked. What I like about this book is that it gives real-life situations kung saan makaka-relate ka talaga. And of course, it gives illustrations wherein nagbibigay siya ng examples and nagko-compute talaga how much would you be able to save given situations that you won't buy such things that you don't actually need. Kung tatanungin mo naman ako kung ano yung hindi ko nagustuhan dito, every chapter or every division of the book, there is what we call my ipon realization. At tinamaan talaga ako sa isang ipon realization. Nakakataba sa puso yung makatulong ka sa iba, pero minsan meron talagang taong nang aabuso, kaya nakakalungkot lang. Yon! Question number 3! Other information that would encourage others to read the book. Halfway of the book, meron dito top 15 ipon tips. And I'll give you the first tip. Magkaroon ng SMART goal sa ginagawang pag-ipon. So, SMART goals, hindi lang pala ito applicable sa mga thesis paper natin nung high school. Even in savings, applicable siya. So, pag sinabi natin SMART goals, yun ay specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Thank you very much for staying with me till the end at sana ay may natutunan din kayo and better grab a copy of My Ipon Diary. Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video.